are mammoth. Fuck! What the fuck is this? Whoa! And then Silt. This is crazy. Woo! Oh. And then zero vision. Riding Silt after a long time. Not a joke. A ridge. Having a good suspension setup makes all the difference. The position and all the embedded rocks. Oh fuck! Fuck! I don't know if you guys can see it. The whole thing is rocks. Body position is key when you do this. Fuck! You get thrown over if you take this lightly. Holy shit! The path of least resistance, man. Long time since I did this thing. Holy shit! Shit! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Jump! Jump! It could be this. Almost there. Fuck. Pure. As pure as it can get. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, jump. Oh, fuck. Okay, fellas. Time for me to tell you what this thing is. Yep. So that is what this is. That is what riding on Silt looks like. There you go. There you go. Fuck. This is crazy. Isn't this just crazy? I hope you guys had a good time. Not a joke at all. No traction, and then these whoops, one after the other. Best dealt with standing, never sitting, and find all that you can see for traction. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. A loose body definitely come in handy. There's an entry to the forest from over here. don't think these tracks have been used. Oh, that's a peacock.